Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is laboratory, microscope and specimens. See friends, laboratory is a name given to the room where usually the practicals are performed. So I will represent it by a circle. Now microscope. Microscope is nothing but an instrument which is found in laboratory. So I will represent it by one more circle in a laboratory. Okay. Now specimens. The specimens are some samples which are again found in laboratories. So therefore, I will represent it by one more circle in the laboratory. But mind you one thing, the microscopes and specimens are totally different from one another. They are not having any relationship in between them. See now what I have done? Laboratories. Laboratories are nothing but the places where usually the practicals are performed. Okay. Now microscopes. Microscopes are nothing but some instruments which are found in the laboratories. Therefore, I have represented it with one more circle in the laboratory. And specimens? Specimens are nothing but samples which are found again in the laboratories. But the microscopes and specimens are totally different from one another. Therefore, I have represented them with separate circles. So now let us compare our diagram with the given Venn diagrams. And when you compare with the given Venn diagrams, the Venn diagram D matches with our result. Therefore, let us check the given options. The first option is C, whereas the second option is D, which is the right option. We will see some more number of problems.